Start now.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, my dear students. You are all warm welcome to the another questionnaire session. Today we are going to discuss the remaining part of the question. See the first question, the 41. Match the following column 1 with the column 2. Here they have given two columns here. Column 1, A is chromatin, second one is nucleus, third one is centromere, and fourth one is NOR, N-O-R. Okay. You know a little bit, the chromatin is nothing but, what is that, it is nothing but a thread-like structure, isn't it? Chromatin, not chromosome. Just imagine there is a chromatin is there. Okay. See this. Okay. Suppose take an example of nucleus. What happened? There is a chromatin is there. Chromatin like this. Okay. And also take an example. Inside there is a chromatin like this. These are all chromatin. When it undergoes the condensation process, what happened? It will be formed as a chromosome. Okay. So this is chromosome. That center there is a centromere. See here the chromatin. Here what they are asking, match the column. Match the column. Chromatin. Okay. The chromatin, what does that mean? It is nothing but what? Okay. Chromatin is nothing but the primary construction. Primary construction is the correct one. So the chromatin is nothing but the primary construction. The NOR already but it is nothing but the secondary construction. I will tell you how it will be there. Secondary construction. So A is denoted as 2. Where is the A is 2? Here. Here is, sorry, here this is A is 3. Sorry. Chromatin is nothing but the nucleoprotein fiber. Yes, correct only. It is also made up of fiber protein. It is also a fiber protein. Sorry, extremely sorry. This one. Okay, the first one is, what is that? Nucleoprotein fiber. First one is this one. Okay, so third one is that A or second one or fourth one. So first one and then third one, it will not come. See the B1. B1 is also, see, A is 3, A is 3. So B is fourth one, B is fourth one. See that nucleolus is the active, what is that? RNA synthesis. Both are same only. So this is also a correct. And then what about the C? Centromere. Centromere is nothing but the, what is that? Primary construction. Okay, centromere is nothing but the primary construction. And NOR is the secondary construction. So the answer is which one, So it will not come there, this one. So this is the correct answer. Okay, how it will be there? See the next solution part, you will get it. See, this is considered NOR. Okay, so nuclear organization region is simply called as NOR. Okay, so what is the meaning of this one? It is nothing but the secondary construction. See that this is considered secondary construction or otherwise called as NOR. So you must note it down. This is very, very important. So about the primary construction. Primary construction otherwise called as, what is it? Centromere. Centromere center. The two arms are connected. So this is called as primary construction. Suppose they are having satellite. Okay. So satellite like that. This is called as secondary construction, otherwise called as NOR. Nuclear organization region. Okay, my dear. So don't forget. So the option is correct one is the second one, my dear. Don't forget this one. Okay, chromatin. Chromatin is nothing but the fiber. Chromatin fiber only. Nucleoprotein fiber. See, this one is correct. Nucleoprotein fiber. 1 is 3. And the B1 is called as nucleolus. The nucleolus is nothing but, what is that? Active RNA synthesis site. Here inside, inside is the nucleolus. Nucleus inside. Okay, media. So this is the correct answer. See that the chromatin is a complex of DNA and protein found in the eukaryotic cell. Chromatin is the complex of DNA protein, fiber. Second one is see that the nucleus containing DNA, RNA, and protein. It is ribosome factory. Cells form other species often have multiple nuclei. The nucleus of a cell that is made up of RNA and protein, and it's where ribosome are made. A ribosome help link amino acids together to form a protein. This is called as nucleolus. See, the centromere is also called as primary construction. Now only we saw it, isn't it, my dear? Now only we saw it, this part. Centromere is called as a primary construction. And the secondary construction connected the satellite region. Satellite region. That's why I told you. Satellite means what is the name? There is a small protrude-like structure in the tip of the chromosome. It's called a satellite. Satellite. Okay, my dear. So chromosome to the rest of the chromosomes. This is the second part. So the option is this is the correct one. You have to match it properly. That is very, very important. Next, this one. Now only we saw it. The point of attachment of microtubules. Point of attachment of the microtubules. Okay. On the chromosome is called as, okay, microtubules. Where it microtubules is there, you know very well about the microtubules present in the, this is constantia chromosome, isn't it? Spindle formation, there is a microtubules formation, spindle fiber is there. Okay, so which one is it is related, you know, it is not a centromere. Okay, spindle is that, spindle is not come. Kinetochore, don't forget, my dear students. Attachment of the point of attachment of the microtubules on the chromosome. How it will be attached? With the help of the kinetochore only. Okay, there is no chromatid, there is no centromere, there is no spindle formation. Okay, so this is the correct answer, my dear. See this one. This is the AMS chromosomes. This part is called as, what is that? Kinetochore. The center, there is a centromere is there. The arms are joined together with the help of which one, you know, the kinetochore. This is called as chromatid. Collectively called as chromosomes. Think about this one. These three parts as given in your part. Chromatid given, centromere given, kinetochore also given. So this part is kinetochore. This one is called as centromere. Okay. Okay, my dear. See this. The kinetochore assemble on the centromere and link the chromosome to microtubules polymers of the mitotic spindle during mitosis and meiosis. Both the character, the spindle formation is occurs, isn't it, my dear? During the mitosis as well as the meiosis process in somatic cell as well as the reproductive cells. It occurs, somatic and the reproductive cell, it occurs. You know what about with the help of the kinetochore only. Okay, the option is B is the correct answer. Second is the correct one. Here, the 43 questions. The movement of the sap in the phloem is bidirectional. Already you know about movement of sap is, what does that mean? Nothing but the food. Nothing but food. Phloem food. Isn't it, my dear? Phloem food. Xylem, you know about it is also called as, what is that? Water and minerals. Water and minerals. Isn't it, my dear? Both are. The xylem always unidirectional only, unidirection, only in the lower to upward only. But phloem is a bidirectional, both the side it will be transferred. So this one is the correct one. Source and sink may be reversed depending on the season. Already you know about it. Suppose if it is reversed, season or the plant's need, yes, it is also correct. So the statement, both the statement 1 and statement 2 are true. And the statement 2 is the correct explanation of the statement 1. Seasonal variation occurs, what happened automatically, reversibly possible. Okay. So the both the statement is correct is the answer. See the phloem bidirectional. This is called as bidirectional flow. See this one. So one side like this, and another one is also like this. Sieve tube. Companion cell is also very, very small. It is nothing but a small pore-like structure. Okay, that can flow from the lower part to upper, upper part to lower with the help of phloem. Which one is transport here? Food materials. Okay, so not only the food. Okay, food. So the option is which one? Both statements, and 1 and 2 are true statement, and the first is the correct explanation of the statement. Second, 2. Okay, maybe. So go to the next one. Who proved that O2 comes from water and not from CO2 in the photosynthesis? During photosynthesis, oxygen is released. Okay, during the photolysis of water. You know about the photolysis of water is also takes place. During the time, what happened? Non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Already we discussed non-cyclic. Okay, photophosphorylation. During this time, what happened? The water molecules split into oxygen as well as the hydrogen molecules. 2O2, 2H2 plus 4 electron also released. This was accepted by Bigman system 2, first one, and excited that things also already know well. But this statement was proved in a purple and green bacteria. It is also a bacterial photosynthesis. Don't forget, my dear students. Okay, Arnold, Englerman, Hewitt. Which one is the correct? Van Nile. Don't forget. Van Nile discovered the green and purple bacteria photosynthesis. During this process, what happened? Oxygen comes from water, not from the CO2. Normal, what is that? Normal photosynthesis also what happened? The water molecules split to the oxygen. But photosynthesis also, this process was discovered by the name of the scientist called as Van Nile. See this one? Van Nile proposed the oxenic photosynthesis of all organic is actually an oxidation reduction reaction involving the action of hydrogen of water over carbon dioxide to form organic compound. He also propounded that oxygen is evolved from the water only. This is the concept. This is the final step. Oxygen is evolved from the water. Water split to gives oxygen and hydrogen. So that is the reason. The oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis. Okay. So the answer is Van Nile is the correct answer. Okay. Go to the 45. In which of the hydrophytes hydrophily is absent? Hydrophily. See this, all the plants look like a hydrophytes. Justira, Wallisneria, Hydroland, water lily also. But they have given hydrophily means what is that? Pollination takes place by water. Okay. Absent, they ask. Absence. See, this is the very important part. Wallisneria definitely takes place within the water. And Hydrilla also. Justira also. But the water lily, it is not there. So the answer is which one? The fourth one is the correct answer. It is absent. Others are present. This one is called as absent. Okay, maybe. So this part. See the answer. The characteristic of water lily is that does not repollinate multiple by itself. They have male and female parts of the reproduction, but they do not self-pollinate, which means they are type of hydrophytes, which do not have the feature of hydrophily. That is the point. They do not have the feature of hydrophily. So this is the option. So others are having the hydrophilic nature. They can pollinate it with the help of the water. Okay. So that is very, very important. So the answer is fourth one, water lily. This is critical type of questions. You can easily identify which one, simply you can answer it. Which one, So these are Hydrilla, Wallisneria. Wallisneria first you should. You can think, you may think like this. This is the right answer, I think. Okay, but sometimes they may Justira is also different like that. But correct answer is water lily. You have to pick up the answer very clearly, then only you will get negative mark. See, the secondary succession begins in the area where natural biotic communities have been destroyed due to destroyed. What is the meaning of destroyed? Complete eradication. Okay. Abundant farmland. Abundant farmlands mean you can think which one Normal forest land also converted into farmland. Okay, forest area also. This is the first point. Yes, correct. Burned or cut forest. So it is also destroyed. Yes. Land that have been flooded. It is also correct. So the answer is fourth one. All the three due to the destroys. What happened, the secondary succession begins in the area where natural biotic communities have been destroyed. Normally, the natural biotic community, what happened due to these are the factors. Abundant farmland. Okay. And then burned or cut forest due to some natural disaster or manually. Okay. Land that have been flooded due to the water, heavy rain. Heavy rain also. What happened? Completely destroy the natural biotic. So as a result, what happened? It may be produced a secondary succession. It's manually produced. So the option is all of these is the correct answer. Okay. See that secondary succession begins the area where the natural biotic community have been destroyed, such as the abundant farmland, burned, cut forest, land that have been flooded. So the answer is fourth one is correct. Okay. So here it is very complicated, my dear student. You just keep it out in this point. Match the column 1 with the column 2. This is the column 1. Which one? This is column 1. So column 2 here have given. Okay. See. This one is column 1. This part. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a column 1. So the answer is option is given here. Option. Okay. Option here. This is the column 2. See the first population, all of this side population is time. Populations also against the time periods. How it will be there? See this here. So it is gradually what happened. One is to standard one, another one is what happened decreased. A and species, A and B, A and B, A and B, like that, isn't it? Maybe. See here, first one is what happened, C has given. See here, first one E has given, isn't it? Just imagine first one is E. Where is the E? Commensalism. Commensalism means what is that? Both are beneficial one, isn't it, my dear? Here it is opposite, so it will not come. So E it will not come. So these two it will not come. C is the correct answer they have given. One is the C. So one is what happened? C. What is the meaning of C? Allelopathy. So C is allelopathy is the correct one. So allelopathy. Second one is what is that? They have given as a 2 is the correct answer. See here, 2. The D and B also given. D and B also. See the second one. D is the which one? This one. This part. Okay. A and B species. D has given. Which one is D? Predation. Yes, it is a predation. Okay. Predation means what is that? One is hunt by another one. The A species, B species. So third one is also what is that? Second one, the part is D is the correct one. Here the B has given. So the option is wrong. Third one is A. What is the meaning of third one? Third one, see the species A is also there and B is also there. Same. Both are gradually travels up to the last one. Okay. Third is A. Yes. See, A is mutualism. Both are beneficial. Both are. So the structure. Both species are beneficial only. So this is the correct one. Already you know what about. The last one is the B. Okay. Imagine the population. Okay. The B is, which one is the last one is there? Competition. So both are, it has a competition. You can think about these two are similar, but here both are beneficial only. But here there is a competition between the two species. So the option is which one, this part. It is very complicated, but you have to practice it. Then only it will be complicated. Okay. Complicated process. Diagrammatical oriented. See the first one, population. Also plotted against the time. They have given the standard one. One species is gradually going on. And second one is also, what is that? At decreases. So what is that meaning? Allelopathy, opposite manner is there. One is direct, another one is opposite. That is called as allelopathy. And second one is population against the time. Same is that the species A and B is that. How it will be there? See that both are traveling in the same pathway. So that is called as predation. Third one is population is also time against the plotted, and both the waves are going on the same aspect. A and B species also going on the same pathway. What is that meaning? That is called as mutualism. The last one is called as what is that, competition. Okay, the option is C is the correct answer. See that allelopathy, predation, mutualism, competitions. Okay, okay. See that. Select the incorrect statement, my dear student. Which one is the incorrect statement here? Okay, see this one. The linked genes cause absolute lethality. Linked genes causes absolute lethality, means dead. No, it will not causes lethality. So the first one is, what is that? Correct or wrong? Incorrect statement only asked. Okay, so lethality means dead. So it will not produce dead. So it is a wrong answer. Ratio of monohybrid diagram test cross are same only. Okay, no. Test cross means, what is that meaning? Capital T, small t, small t. This is the parent one, isn't it? Okay, what will happen? The F1 generation, you will get it. Which one, capital T and small t. This is called as F1 generation. Here the gamete formation is there. Okay. Okay. What is the meaning of test cross? Test cross is nothing but the cross, F1 cross with the recessive parent only. Recessive parent only. So what will happen now? The capital T, small t, you will get small t, small t. What will be the ratio? It will be same monohybrid trichromacy. See, here there is a two possibilities there. Capital T, here the only one possibility there. See here. Capital T, small t, small t, small t. It is same? No. Okay, that has given. So it is also wrong. F2 generation, just imagine. Incorrect statement only asked, isn't it, my dear? Okay. Here, A and B is wrong, means where is the A and B? So the F2 ratio in recombinant codominance and the incomplete dominance are same. Okay. F2 ratio in codominance and incomplete dominance are same. Yes, it is both are same only. So this is the right answer. This one's automatically wrong. See, the sex male Drosophila depends on the Y chromosome. Drosophila melanogaster. Don't forget, my dear students. Drosophila means XX. Okay, they may be differ. So the option is, which one is there? No. Third one is the incorrect statement. A and B and D is the incorrect statement. This one is the correct statement. Okay, my dear. This is very, very important. See here. ABD incorrect statement. Linked gene causes absolute lethality. Ratio of monohybrid diagram test cross are the same. Sex of male Drosophila depends on the Y chromosome. These are all our what is that? Incorrect statement. The correct statement is F3. So that this is the option. Incorrect only they asked, isn't it? So go to the next one. Which is incorrect about the nucleopolyhedrovirus? Okay. Which one is the correct option is here? Incorrect option they asked. Okay. Otherwise called as wrong statement. Nucleopolyhedrovirus, NPV. Okay, media. Incorrect means what is that? See here. These are species specified. These are the species specific. Yes. Nucleopolyhedrovirus is specific. Okay. They have narrow spectrum insecticidal application. Yes. They have negative impact on plant, mammals, bird, fish, or even on non-target insects. No, it is not like that. It gives the positive impact. Okay. And the last one is, this is especially desirable when beneficial insects. Virus always not beneficial one. Okay, always are being conserved in aid in the overall integrated pest management program. No. Virus always it gives you a harmful effect only. So these are the three is the incorrect statement. This one is also incorrect statement. This one is the, what is that? Correct. So they ask which is the correct one? Which is the correct one? Once again, repeat for you this point. This is incorrect statement. The third one is the incorrect statement. isn't it? Others are quite harmful. Sorry, yeah, beneficial aspect only is there. Okay, go to the next one. They have a negative impact on plants, mammals, birds, fishes, or even on the non-target insect. This is the incorrect statement. Others are right statement only. Okay, go to the next one. Identify the correct matches. Identify the correct matches. Already we know our brassica, cauliflower, bindi, and chili. Chili, don't forget. Pusa, sadabahar, disease resistant. This is the correct matches. Others are not correct matches. These are all a direct question, my dear students. This is the correct one. These are all are not correct. Okay, see the next. Chili pusa, sadabahar, disease resistant only. The option is fourth one. Next one is, which of the following statement is correct regarding chylomicron? Okay, just chylomicron. They are undigested protein. Okay, this is wrong statement. This is wrong statement. Undigested. It is a digested. They are undigested carbohydrate. No. They are lipid droplets coated with the carbohydrate. No. They are lipid droplets coated with protein. Don't forget. Chylomicron is the made up of two components. One is called as lipid droplet with coated with the protein. So lipid drop is here. Outer side, what happened? You know, the protein is coated. This is protein. Okay, this is lipid. This is called as chylomicron. Okay, my dear. So the option is fourth one is correct. All the three are wrong. Don't forget, my dear. This is NEET question, my dear. NEET question. 2023. They are lipid droplets coated with the protein molecules. Already we saw it. Go to the 52. The earthworm have. Earthworm have, already you know about. Diploplastic, no. It has a triploplastic, isn't it? Triploplastic means, you know, but there are three layers. Okay, ectodome, mesodome, endodome. Radially symmetrical. We cannot be able to split like this. It will not like that. So it will not come. Asymmetry, no. Asymmetry, we cannot be able to split the organism. It will not like that. Bilaterally symmetrical. Yes, it is the correct one. Okay, this is also a direct question. Okay, go to the next one. Answer is bilaterally symmetric. So go to the next one is 53. Corpus callosum present dash and made up of dash. Normally, you know a little bit. Corpus callosum present in longitudinally, not transversely. So the option is these two only. And made up of which one, you know? Myelinated neurons. Myelinated neuron. You should note it down. This point is very, very important. These three, it will not come. So longitudinally and myelinated neurons. What is the myelination? So this is considered myelinated. Okay. So this is called as myelinated. Okay. This is neuron structure. Cyton, axon, and dendrites. Here also, you know, here Schwann cell, nucleus is also there. All those things. Longitudinally myelinated neuron only. The corpus callosum. Don't forget, my dear student. This is critical thinking. CT question. Go to the next one. At the time of puberty, how many primary follicles exist in each ovary? Already we studied it. During the puberty time, what happened, you know? Directly, you know, but this is the answer. Direct question. It will not like this. It will not like this. It will not like this. 60,000 to 80,000 a primary follicle exists in each ovary. This is direct question. Direct question. Okay. NEET 2023. Definitely they may become. Okay. Go to the next one. Statement 1. Dryopithecus was more man-like. Okay. Dryopithecus was more man-like. No, Dryopithecus is not a look like a man. So the option is wrong. So the both the statements are correct. So it will not come. Statement 1 is correct. So it will not come. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. So the Ramapithecus were more ape-like. No, Ramapithecus, Dryopithecus, it is not like I say this one, man-like and ape-like. So both the statements are wrong only. So the option is fourth one is correct. Okay, fourth one. Cardiac output is blood. Cardiac output is blood received by heart per minute. Cardiac output. What is the meaning of cardiac output? Cardiac output means received. No. Pumped by ventricle per second. No. Always calculate per minutes only. Pumped by left ventricle per minute is the correct one. Pumped by left ventricle per hours, it will not like. So the option is pumped by left ventricle per minute only we calculate it, the cardiac output. That is equal, that is called as, what is that? Cardiac, what is that? Output, cardiac output. Okay. So how much ml, that is very, very important. Output is that. Just note it down. This is your note questions. NEET question, definitely it will comes. Okay. Next class, I will ask you. Pump by left ventricle per minute only they calculated. That is called as, what is the cardiac output. Select the odd one. This is the blended question. Blended questions. Chitin. Chitin is a carbohydrate. Yes. Chitin is one of the polysaccharide. Okay. Chitin, where is present in it? Already you know about exoskeleton of the cockroach. Fungal cell wall. Okay. Pectin. Pectin is also a carbohydrate. Carbohydrates. But here given select the odd one. So carbohydrate they have given as a protein. This is the okay, wrong answer. Steroid is the lipid, yes. Wax also lipid. So these three are, what is that? Correct only. So the second is the option is the wrong one, odd one. Okay, so this is very, very important. So the option is second one. Pectin is a protein. Not only the pectin is a protein, pectin is a, what is that? Carbohydrate. Okay, go to the next one. Ciliated epithelium is found in, okay, ciliated epithelium. Epithelium means, what is that? You know, there is nothing but the epithelium is nothing but the outermost layer. Here there is a layer is there. Epithelial tissue is also there. What they are asking, ciliated. Ciliated means small hair-like structure. Okay. Where it present? Fallopian tube. Yes, it is essential for the fallopian tube, the egg movement. Okay. Egg move from the where, you know, the fallopian to the where, you know, in this part. Okay. It can move. So here there is a, what is that? Ciliated epithelium also present in it. Okay. And branchioles here. Yes, it is also present in the branchioles. But esophagus and foot pipe it will not contain ciliated epithelium cells. So first and second only. So the option is the fourth one is the correct one. This one is the wrong one. Okay. Go to the next one. In the given diagram, which of the following is correct matches of the structure with its function? Okay. See that A is gallbladder, secretion of bile and enzymes. Okay. And then C, A is a gallbladder. What about the C? C is a pancreas. This one is pancreas. No, it is not a pancreas. So it will not come. Okay. And B is a duodenum. B is duodenum. No, it will not come. So the B and C, it will not come. Comparison between the diagram, these two. And what about the fourth one? The pancreas. This is already, you know, this is considered as a pancreas. Secretion of insulin and glucagon. This is the correct one. The gallbladder, secretion of bile and enzymes. No, it is not like that. So this is the correct answer. The option is the last one. This is called as Diagrammatical question. This is called as duodenum. This is called as gallbladder. But it's the secretion of the bile juice, the enzyme. It is not there. Okay. But in this one, pancreas is B is correctly matched. Secretion of insulin. You know, but insulin secreted by the beta cell. What about glucagon? Glucagon secreted by the alpha cell of the pancreas, Langerhans. Okay. Don't forget, my dear students. See that the human cranium is made up of how many bone is there? Here, you just see it. 14. Okay. And then 8 and 10 and 12. Maximum. How many brains, bone are present in it in this process, you know? So this is the correct answer. This is direct question, my dear student. How many bones are present in it? Human cranium. Okay. Okay. Go to the next one. Observe the following diagram and find out the incorrect labeling. Incorrect labeling. See, A is a endolimb. Okay. A is a endolimb. This is not a endolimb. Just imagine this is not a endolimb. So it is the wrong answer. Second one is the wrong answer. Second one is the wrong answer. Okay. See the first one, C. C is the part of cochlear duct. This is called as cochlear duct. See here, I mentioned here. This is called as cochlear duct. Yes, it is correct one. D, imagine origin of corti. Yes, D also correct. Origin of corti. This part is called as origin of corti. So this is also a correct one. B, scala tympani. This is called as scala tympani. They have mentioned. Okay, this is also a correct one. So which one is the incorrect one? Endolimb, they mentioned. This part is not a endolimb. See the diagram, you can easily understand. Endolimb is the wrong answer. Okay. Go to the next one. This is already you know about myosin, muscle fibers. Okay, muscle fiber. Which is the correct answer? See this one. A, B, C, and D. Jet disc. Jet disc. Jet denoted as which one, you know? Separate two sarcomere. The disc is used essential for the separation of the. So jet is Q. Where is that? A, Q here. So these two only the option. Already I marked here. The answer is second one. Okay. B is P. See here B. I band. I band. It's only contain the thin filament. So I band is a thin filament. Okay. And C is a S. The A band. A band is nothing but the entire length of the thick filament. The last one is already in our Kutch zone is also called as which one? No? Containing thick filament. Or which one you know? No thin filament. So the option is the second one is the correct answer. See the option, see that jet disc is a separate to sarcomere. Separate to sarcomere. And I band P contain only the thin filament. The I band is a thin filament. A band is a thick filament. Entire length of the thick filament. Hutch zone is a, what is that? Containing thick filament, no thin filament. It is also thick in nature. Okay. So this is maximum comes under the heading myosin protein, contraction of muscles. Of muscles. Okay, my dear. So this is very, very important, my dear. Okay, go through it, how it will be actin and myosin protein, how it will be essential, how many octamer is present in all those things already know with the ATP is also a requirement. Okay, see the statement 63. The light rays is invisible wavelength focused in the retina through the cornea and lens generate action potential in rod and cones. The light rays visible wavelength means VIBGR. Okay, VIBGR already in our but VIBGR. Okay, I will be started 420 to 720 nanometer. Generate the actant potential of rod and cone. Yes, it is a correct one. Or wrong one. It is a correct one or wrong one. Okay. No, it will not corrected. It will not created by the rods and cone cell. So wrong one. The visual cortex area of a brain where the neural impulses are analyzed and merged, formed on the retina, is recognizing without any help of the earlier memory and experience. No, without any help of the earlier memory. How will you identify this is the white color? Already having the memory also. So this is also a wrong one. So what is the option is that statement A is incorrect, statement B is correct. Is it correct? No. The statement A is correct, statement B is incorrect. No. Okay. And then both statement A and B are correct. Here what they mentioned, both are wrong only. So the option is, what is that, 63, just to note it down. Both the statement A is B are incorrect only is the correct one. You have to find out. Go to the next one. Both the statement A and B are incorrect only. Mnemonic center is located in the mnemonic center. Direct question, my dear student. Mnemonic center. Okay. Mnemonic center directly present in the which one, the pons. It is not the cerebrum. It is not the medulla oblongata. It is not the cerebellum. Only present the pons. Maximum, but the brain structure is there, here in this spot. In this spot is the spots. Here the mnemonic center is present. Okay. Go to the next one. Consider the following statement A to C and select the option which is include all the correct once only. Okay. See that the earthworm show the metameric segmentation. Yes. Okay. Yes. It is metameric segmentation. So statement is A is also correct. Where is the A is the one is here also, this one and this one, this one. So C it will not come. Isn't it? And platyhelminthes show organ level body organization. Yes, platyhelminthes, they are showing the organ level of organization. So B it will come. Okay, B it will come. C it will not come. So C it will not come. A and B only. So the answer it will be in these two only. Okay. In Aschelminthes, mesoglia is present between ectoderm and endoderm. Okay, ectoderm and endoderm. No. So the option is which one is the correct answer? The statement A and B is the correct answer. Second is the wrong answer. So this is the correct answer only. So A and B only correct. This one is the wrong answer, my dear. Okay. Go to the next one. Accession reasoning. The squamous epithelium involved in the function like forming and diffusion boundary. Yes. The squamous epithelium involved the function like forming and diffusion boundary. Diffusion boundary means, where it present, already about blood. And the squamous epithelium is made up of single thin layer flattened cell with irregular boundaries. Diffusion boundary and irregular boundaries. Both are, what is that? Correct only, because it mostly found in where, squamous epithelials. It can absorb the food material from the food pipe. Okay. So the option is both options are correct only. So which one is the correct one? The 666, the option 1 is correct, others are wrong. Both are correct only. Okay. And this last one, you just see it, you can see the option. Copper T. Isn't it, made here? It is not a fallopian tube, it is not a uterine wall, it is not a uterine wall. So this one. So copper T is the correct answer. So the option is C. See the structure. Okay. Go to the next one. How many statements are correct regarding IUD, intrauterine device? Okay. See here, increase the phagocytosis of sperm, release corpus ion that suppress sperm motility and fertilization capacity of the sperm, make the uterus unsuitable for implantations, Make the service coastal to the sperm. Prevent semen from entering the female reproductive tract. Which one is the option is correct here? 4 options have been given. Increase the phagocytosis of the sperm. Release copper ion, suppress the sperm motility, fertilizing capacity of the sperm. Yes, correct. Make the uterus unsuitable for implantations. Okay, this one is the wrong. Make the cervix coastal to the sperm. Yes, correct. Prevent the semen from the entering of female reproductive. Yes, correct. So these are the 4 is correct. Remaining 2 are the wrong one. Go to the next one. Find the correct statement about the chemical which is obtained from the given plant. Just to see the plant. This is also Datura species. Okay. Datura. See the plant. What happened when we are getting the substances? Which one is the chemical substance from this one? What will be the product? How it will be there? The first is that. 6.1 causes hallucination. You cannot able to remain yourself as a human being. Abused by some sports person? No. Production of sense of euphorbia? No. It is not a milk. Latex vessels, milk producing plant. So euphorbia is also milk glands, latex vessels present. These are known for their effect on the cardiovascular system of the body. No. The causes of hallucination is the correct one. Okay. See the option. Causes of the hallucinations. Go to the next one. Correct the matches of column 1 with the column 2. This is also BT cotton, nematode resistant tobacco, super mouse, rosy. Rosy means you know about that. Human alpha lactalbumin protein. Isn't it, my dear? D is 1. D is 2. Okay. So option where is the 2 is the these 2 only. The answer is within these 2 only. Isn't it? These 2 only. It will not come these 2. So the first one, see that A is 3. A is 3. Cotton bollworm. Yes, here the BT cotton is the, so the cotton bollworm is also there. So 3 is correct. So the 4th one is the wrong one. So it will not come. The second one, see that B is 4th one. Nematode resistant tobacco. Nematode resistant tobacco is one of the RNA technique. Super mouse, already you know what about super mouse. Super mouse is the growth hormone gene. The rosy is the human. So the option is the first one is the correct answer. Okay. So this is the first one. Go to the next one. See that BT cotton. BT cotton is also directly connected with the BT cotton. So BT cotton to cotton bollworm. Nematode resistant tobacco, RNA technique. Super mouse, growth hormone gene. And rosy is a human lactalbumin protein. So these are the options 3, 4, 1 and correctly matched. Okay, go to the next. Which type of immunity? Which type of immunity is responsible for a rejection of organ? Organ is made up of. This is called a cell. Cell is made up of more than one cell united together form as a tissue. Cell. Cells are united together form as a organ. So it is related to which one? Tissue and cell. Here, which one is the correct one? Artificial? It will not come. Natural positive immunity? It will not come. Humoral immunity? It will not. Cell mediated immunity is the correct answer. Okay. This one. Go to the next one. Cell mediated rejection of organ transplantation. During the time, what happened? No. Organ transplantation. What happened? No. The transplantation organ also rejected by cell mediated immunity. Suppose some other person suffered by a kidney. Okay. So some person is affected by the kidney disorder. Just imagine. Okay. This is the X person. Y person is the donor. It is not related to his family. What happened? They are giving the kidney. Okay, it is accepted by the cell means okay, but it is not accepted means due to the, what is the meaning of this one? Due to the cell-mediated immunity. Rejection of organ. This organ was rejected by this X fellow means what is the meaning? It is called as cell-mediated immunity. Next one is, see this one. GIFT is a zygote intra-fallopian transfer. Okay. Yes. Correct only. Okay, made it. Correct. This one is the correct one. Embryo more than 8 blastoma is transferred to uterus to complete its further development. Okay. But it is not a correct one. So the option is which one? Both assertion reasons are true. The reason is correct explanation of the assertion. No. Both assertion reasons are true. Yes, it is a true only, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. So this is the correct answer. The reason is correct. Okay, after the blastomere and the 8 cell and also converted into 16 cell and also 32 cell, then only it will be transferred to the mothers. Okay, so this is the correct answer, but it is not a correct explanation. 8 cell they told, not 8 cell. After the 32 cell only we will transfer. So this is the wrong answer. So remaining things it will not come. So the option is 1. Go to the next one is. Given below are two statements. Active immunity is fast and do not take time to give its full effective response. Okay. Full response. No, it will give you full response, and also what happened, fast. It will not fast. The primary lymphoid organs are bone marrow and thyroid. No, thyroid glands. What is that? Primary lymphoid organ. What is that? No. So both the statements 1 and statement 2 are incorrect only. So others are, it will not come. Okay. So go to the fourth one. A given diagram represents Miller experiment. Just to see this is called as a Miller experiment. Choose the correct combination of labeling A, B, and C. Which is A? This one is A. What is it? This is called as electrolytes, positive and negative charge. Okay. This one is called as what is that? Positive charge and negative charge. Like that, isn't it? Then only you will get the spark. So electrolytes, where is the electrolytes? All are having electrolytes. So A is the electrolyte. What about the B? Where is the B? Is the in this pot. In this pot. What happened, Ammonia, hydrogen, water molecule, methane, and methane. This is the pot. Where there is a methane is the, these are all correct. So first one and last one is the correct one. So here, which one CH3, it will not come. Okay. And another one is the hydrogen molecules not yet come, isn't it? Here in this pot. Water molecule came. So it will not come. These two, it will not come. Only the answer should be 1 or 4 only. Okay. Next one is C is a vacuum pump. Here the air pump they have it one. Where is the C? Here is the vacuum pump only. Suppose if you want to remove the air from the container, so that is called as vacuum pump only. So not a air pump. So this is the answer is correct one. The first one is the electrode. This one is electrode. The B is the ammonia, water, hydrogen, methane also produce. C is the vacuum pump. Vacuum pump. Okay. You are creating the vacuum inside. We are sucking. See, it is not a air pump. We are not. So the air is outside only. Water is, air is outside only. So that's why we are creating the vacuum within the tree. Okay. And the last one is what is that, see that one? Which type of evolution is shown by a given structure? See the structures. Sorry. See the structures. The parallel evaluation. No. Convergent evaluation. No. Divergent evaluation. What is the meaning of divergent evaluation? Already you know about here what happened, The axle buds, axle. Take an example. This is considered a leaf. Here there is a branch is there. In this pod, what happened? This is called as what is that? Here the axle bud is there. Axillary bud. Okay, bud is there. The axillary bud, what will happen? You know, it will produce the thorn. So this is the thorn. The same process also modified in the form of tendrils. So the same organ, what happened? You know, divergent evolution. So the option is the D only is the correct. Sorry, C only is the correct. And then first, it is the wrong one. So that's all about today class, my dear students. Remaining things we will see the next classes. Okay, my dear. You have to practice it. Practice it. Daily 2 questions. Morning session as well as the evening session. A full test. Okay, you have to practice. Download, first of all. Download all of you, my dear students. 2018 to 2021 question. 4 or 5 years question you must download and practice it daily. Okay, my dear. So that's all about today classes, my dear students. Remaining things we will see in the next classes. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. Thank you, ma'am.